Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix League of Legends VC runtime 140_1.dll was not found problem. Let's fix it guys. The solution consists of two simple steps. The first step is to download the DLL file and place it in the missing location. To download it the DLL file, you can also check my video description for this link guys given in my below description. You just need to check it out. Click on the first dllfiles.com link, and in here you just need to scroll down, select the download option guys. It started downloading. After getting download done, you just need to open up in folder, show in folder. You just want to extract it guys, right click on it, select extract all, select extract. After getting extracted, you just need to copy this DLL file guys, copy it, right click on it and select copy guys. After getting copied, you just need to placed in the system32 and sys wow 34 to find these files. You just need to go to this PC, go to local disk C and go to Windows folder, and in here you just need to search for system, double click on it, right click on the blank area and select paste guys, the DLL file. Replace the file in the destination. I didn't have this problem, that's why asking this. Like, click on continue. I already have this folder guys, that's why I'm getting this problem. You should be fine guys. I already have this DLL file. Go back to Windows again and search for sys wow 64. Right click on the blank area and select paste guys, the same way. Click on continue. After pasting it, close out of here. Step 2 is to download Microsoft Visual Studio guys, C++ and DirectX. To do this, open up Chrome and check my video description for this downloading as well. Visual C++ download. Click on the first link, Microsoft official website. Scroll down guys. If your PC are 32-bit guys, you just need to download this link. I am using 64-bit, that's why I'm gonna download this link. Click on open when done, and you just want to install it guys. I already just installed this, that's why I'm getting repair and uninstall option. You actually need to install it guys. I'm gonna close this, go to website again, go to search bar and type DirectX download. Check my video description as well, this link DirectX. Click on download option. After getting download done, click on it and install it guys. I actually installed done before, that's why I'm not going to install now. You just need to double click on it and open it guys and install it. After installing it, now we need to restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, hopefully your problem will be resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.